Welcome everybody. Today we are going to dive in to MetaMask. This is exclusively for the Ethereum network, and MetaMask is typically used for interacting with Ethereum-based dApps. To get started, go ahead and go over to MetaMask.io. Once you're there, go ahead and click the extension that you would like. You can also use Brave browser. Chrome, Firefox, and Opera, all three work. We're currently using Chrome, so we're going to go ahead and tap on Chrome. Now click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, wait a few moments, and you're good to go. Now go ahead and click Get Started. You can import the wallet if you have your seed phrase from another wallet. But today we're going to go ahead and show you how to set up a fresh one. Click Create Wallet. You can provide usage data to help them improve MetaMask if you'd like, and if you would not, you can go ahead and click No Thanks. Go ahead and type in a password. Go ahead and read the terms of use by clicking here, and once you have, go ahead and come back here and click I've read and agree to the terms. Click Create. Now you'll have access to your secret words. Keep in mind, if you lose these secret words, you do lose access to the money that is held in the wallet permanently. So do not forget this and do not share it with anyone. This is your private key. You can click here to reveal the secret words. I would recommend writing these secret words down. And once you have, you can go ahead and click Next. They will ask you to verify the secret words one time. To make sure you have them correct, go ahead and click on each one. Once you have them entered correctly, go ahead and click Confirm. They do provide some tips for storing your seed phrase safely. Save a backup in multiple places. Never share the passphrase with anyone. Be careful of phishing attacks. MetaMask will never spontaneously ask for your seed phrase. If you need to back up your seed phrase again, you can find it in the Settings and Security section of the browser extension. If you ever have questions or see something fishy, you can also email their support at support@metamask.io. Keep in mind, MetaMask cannot recover your seed phrase, and if you lose it, everything you held in there will be gone. Alright, you're all set up. They do have a web UI that you can use, but you can also manage your wallet from the extension itself by clicking up here. Now we're going to go ahead and deposit. Go ahead and click the deposit button. You can deposit directly with Ether, you can buy with Wire, or you can even deposit with Shapeshift and use other cryptocurrencies and instantly convert them to ETH if you'd like. So we're going to actually deposit directly to our Ethereum address. So go ahead and copy that. We're going to go ahead and go to our other wallet. We're going to go ahead and send 0.1 ETH, and that should be enough to pay for gas. While you're waiting for your transaction to confirm, you should take this time to get to know all the features in the wallet. Of course, you do have the option here to export your private key. This is typically not recommended. You really don't want to reveal your private key if you don't have to, but they do offer this functionality if you want to export it and import it into another wallet. You can also change the network up at the top. The other networks here are testnets. You will want to leave it on the main Ethereum network if you're interacting with live mainnet dApps, however. You also have the option here to create new Ethereum addresses. You can go ahead and do that here. You can import another account or private key. You can even connect a hardware wallet like a Ledger or a Trezor. And in the settings, you can also view your account balances in fiat or in ETH. And you can also change your domestic currency here, and you can even select different tokens. They do use the Blockies Identicons, which are the little icons you see here, which gives you a visual representation of your wallet, so you know you are looking at the correct one. They do have advanced features here. You can sync it with mobile, you can download logs, you can add your own custom networks, which you may want to do sometimes if the network is congested. You can add them here, and you can reset your account, and you can also add advanced gas controls if you want to change them and move them up or down depending on what you want to do. Sometimes you can speed up a transaction by moving your gas up, and you would need to enable that if you would like to do so. MetaMask does have a privacy mode that you can turn off. You will get extra prompts and notifications if you leave privacy mode on that will ask you to confirm whether or not you want to interact with a website or not. But you can also turn this off if you want less notifications. It is recommended to leave it on though, because it does help keep you secure and maintain your privacy when you're browsing the web, so a website doesn't actually access your wallet and your public keys without your consent. But that's about it. Our ETH has cleared, so we're ready to go to your favorite DApp and go ahead and get started. You're good to go to start using Web3. Welcome to the world of DApps.